Yo, Minecraft warriors, want to snipe with a totally insane god bow in Minecraft 1.215? This 2-minute guide is going to make you unstoppable. If this vibes, smash that like button and subscribe. Let's roll. Step 1. Fire up Minecraft Java Edition 1.2, 1.5. Pick any world, survival, creative, or a fresh one. I'm diving into a new survival world for this. Step 2. If you're in a world, hit ESC to pause, click Open to LAN, switch Allow Cheats to On, and hit Start LAN World. Takes like 5 seconds. For a new world, just enable Allow Cheats in the creation menu before launching. Step 3. Press T to open the chat. That's your command zone. Type this killer command. Grab it from the description to copy-paste, because it's a beast. This spawns a bow with max power, infinity for unlimited arrows, and unbreaking 255. Hit enter, and boom, the god bow's in your inventory, glowing like crazy. Step 4. Let's test this monster. Type /summon zombie to spawn a zombie. Yep, the scariest mob around. Aim, shoot, and watch those arrows shred. Whoa, that warden's toast in seconds, thanks to the insane damage. If the bow doesn't appear, double-check the command or ensure cheats are on. Pro tip, save the command in a note for quick reuse. That's it, you're a bow god. Like, subscribe, and drop your favorite Minecraft mob in the comments. Peace out, see you next time.